Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's milahgold here. So today's video I will be talking about DIY lashes. If you haven't seen my face before, you've never watched this channel, my name is milahgold and I make videos for women looking to look their best on the inside and on the outside. So ever since the panoramic happened, I feel like it's forced me to take a look at some of the things that I do, some of the things that I outsource. For example, like my lashes, my nails. It's really forced me to kind of like consider other options because first of all, we didn't have access to go out. Like we weren't able to leave the house, obviously. So I really took a look at some of the things that I could do on my own, and one of those things were my lashes. I always try to make my getting ready process to be as quick as possible because I already take forever to get ready, but lashes is just one of those things that I don't like to waste time on. So I always got lash extensions, but I discovered this DIY eyelash extensions and it's been such a game changer for me. It's been such a lifesaver, honestly. And the one that I'm going to talk about today is called the BEYELIAN lashes. It's the individual lash kit. I was sent a couple lashes and let me tell you guys, it's been such a lifesaver for me. So first of all, if you know anything about individual lashes, you know that they take so long to put on. These are so easy to put on. They stay for like at least 3 days. I try to keep mine on for like 3 to 4 days. So I'm not going to ramble too much. I'm just going to go into the demonstration. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's just get right into the video, okay? So today I have no lashes on and I'm so embarrassed because lashes are a huge part of like my complete look. So today I was sent a couple lashes. So we have about I have like quite a bit here, different styles, different lengths. All the details about these individual lashes will be in my description box if you want to check it out. I'm gonna get started. I have the instructions manual here and I'm just gonna follow the instructions even though I've done this quite a bit, so I'm very familiar with everything, but just for the sake of this video I'm gonna follow the instructions and like let you guys in on what I'm doing. So we have the kit here and it comes with like some lashes, it comes with the tweezers, it comes with the bond, and it comes with the lock glue. We also have the remover. So I'm just gonna follow the instructions. All right, so it says step 1, before your application, clean the eye region and comb your natural lashes with a eyelash brush. My eyelashes are clean. And then step 2, it says to apply the bond to your natural lashes lightly as if you were wearing mascara. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna just place that under my lashes lightly. And you want to make sure that you coat the lashes with this because the last time I did it I realized that I didn't use enough, so I had to go back in and it kind of disturbed my lashes a little bit. But so I've applied the bond. Okay, I hope you guys can see what's going on. Step 3, using the tweezers, pick out the lashes you want and select the length to your liking. And step 4, gently place the individual lashes beneath your natural lashes one by one from the outer corner to the inner corner of the eye. So this is the first half, the half that has the eyelashes, and then this is the other half that does not. It's pretty good. If you want more volume, you could always add volume or make it thicker, but I wanted it to be really natural. And I usually keep this in for like 3 to 4 days. I know that if you're getting your lashes done at a salon, you're gonna spend like hours doing your lashes, and with this you just pop it in and it takes you like literally 10 minutes and you could have this on for like a few days, which is one of the benefits to this. So I'm gonna do this under my eyes, brush lightly. Alright guys, so this is my final result. I went for more of a natural, like flirty lash, and I'm really loving this. So I just keep this in for about 3 days and I don't have to worry about putting on lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like the way these lashes came out. I used the longer length at the corners of the eyes, and for the inner corners I used the shorter length, and I really love the way it turned out. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for your love, comment, support, and feedback on my channel. I want to wish you guys every ounce of love, joy, happiness, and success, and I'll see you in my next video. By the way, all the details of these lashes will be in the description box as well as my coupon code, so make sure you guys check it out there. Yeah, and I'll see you in my next video.